Hey guys, so this is your third assignment, the Flipgrid assignment. So all you need to do for this assignment is you're going to create a Flipgrid telling me two different ways that you can use coins to build a value. And let me show you really quick where you can find this instructions document. So we're going to go to Google Classroom. You're going to go to classwork up at the top, and under math instructional materials, it's going to be right here, number 3, because this is the third assignment. So it's going to be under Flipgrid instructions, and it is right here. You just click on this link. So the first thing you need to do for this assignment is you need to find your task card, and you can click on this link right here. That takes you to your task cards. So you're going to scroll to the second page and you'll find all of your student numbers. So student 1 through student 13. So you're going to look at the color that your number is in. So let's look at student 1. Student 1's color is red. So student 1 is going to come up to the top and find the value that is in red, which is 77 cents. Okay, so same thing, student 7, your color is pink, so your value is going to be in pink, it's 91 cents, okay? So after you find your task card, you're going to brainstorm two different ways that you can build your assigned value using only pennies, nickels, and dimes, okay? We're not using quarters for this assignment, only pennies, nickels, and dimes. So you are going to record yourself telling me two different ways that you came up with to build your assigned value. You can draw dots and lines to help you build your assigned value two different ways. You can also use coins if you have coins at home from your piggy bank or borrowed from your parents. You can use anything to help you like that. And so your recording only needs to be less than a minute, very, very short. Before we watch my example, let me show you these sentence stems. If you use these sentence stems, you will give me all the information I need in your video to grade it, okay? So I'm going to pretend that I'm student 1. Student 1's assigned value was 77 cents. So student 1 is going to say, I can build 77 cents two different ways. I can use this many dimes, nickels, and pennies. I can also use this many dimes, nickels, and pennies, okay? Let's watch my example so that you have a better idea of what you are supposed to do.
Hey guys, it's Miss Folsom. My task card says 48 cents. I can build 48 cents in two different ways. I can use 4 dimes, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies, and I can also use 2 dimes, 5 nickels, and 3 pennies.
Okay, so I followed these sentence stems. I said I can build 48 cents in two different ways, and then I told you how many dimes, nickels, and pennies I used in the first way, and I told you how many dimes, nickels, and pennies I used in the second way that I came up with. And so while you're working on this assignment, I want you to think about some questions as you work on this assignment. Think about the answers to some of these questions. So I want you to think about how can you create your assigned value using only pennies, nickels, and dimes? How can you create it? What different coin combinations can you use? And I also want you to think about, why did you choose to use the amount of each coin that you used? So if you chose to use 4 nickels, why did you choose to use 4 nickels? If you chose to use 5 dimes, tell me or think about why you chose to use 5 dimes, okay? Okay, so after you have brainstormed, you know the two ways that you're going to use the two different coin combinations, you are going to go back to Google Classroom. And then under math assignments, you're going to go to assignment number 3. Assignment number 3 says coins Flipgrid. And you're going to click on the link right here after you watch this video. And you're going to come down here and click on this button, record a response. We have done this in class before, so this should not be anything new. Okay. So you just record your response, and then you will upload it to the Flipgrid website, and I will be able to view it there. Okay, so after you have done this assignment right here, you only have one more thing to do for the day. And that's this coins assessment right here. Now the instructions say, please look back at all instructional materials to review before taking this assessment. So that means I want you to go back and I want you to look at all these different videos that I have posted for you. And I want you to review how to count mixed coins. I want you to review what you did in your interactive Google slides. Okay, review for your assessment. And then once you think you are ready, you have reviewed everything, you're going to click right here on coins assessment and you're going to answer each 6 questions, okay? And so if you need help reading, you can ask a parent or an older sibling, anybody who is at home with you can help you read these questions, but you have to be the one to answer the questions, okay? So once you've answered all 6 questions, you're just going to press submit, and then you are done for the day. If you have any questions, your parents can send me an email. You can also go over to the stream tab and you can type right here where it says announce something to the class. You can type your question here and I will be checking my emails and I will be checking this stream page throughout the day. All right, I hope y'all have a great day and I hope you have fun making this assignment. It should be fun. So I hope you'll have a wonderful day.